Hello friends. Was there an ancient civilization more advanced than us? Atlantis was a continent in the Atlantic Ocean that submerged below the waves about 12,000 years ago. It is believed to have a very advanced civilization. It was a magical city. The story about Atlantis was first told in two of Plato's dialogues, the Timaeus and the Critias, written about 330 BC. The dialogues are conversations between Socrates, Hermocrates, Timaeus, and Critias. Critias tells an account of Atlantis that has been in his family for generations. According to the character, the story was originally told to his ancestor, Solon, by a priest during Solon's visit to Egypt. There had been a powerful empire located to the west of the Pillars of Hercules, what we now call the Strait of Gibraltar, on an island in the Atlantic Ocean. The nation there had been established by Poseidon, the god of the sea. The capital city of Atlantis was a marvel of architecture and engineering. The city was composed of a series of concentric wells and canals. At the very center was a hill, and on top of the hill, a temple was built to honor Poseidon, which housed a giant gold statue of Poseidon riding a chariot pulled by winged horses. It was here that the rulers of Atlantis would come to discuss laws, pass judgments, and pay tribute to Poseidon. The climate was such that 2 harvests were possible each year. One in the winter fed by the rains and one in the summer fed by irrigation from the canal. Besides the harvests, the island provided all kinds of herbs, fruits, and nuts. An abundance of animals, including elephants, roamed the island. For generations the Atlanteans lived virtuous lives. But slowly they began to change, they became corrupt and greedy. When Zeus saw the immorality of the Atlanteans, he gathered the other gods to determine a suitable punishment. Violent earthquake shook the land, giant waves rolled over the shores, and the island sank into the sea, never to be seen again. The Atlantis legend has been kept alive through the years, fueled by writers' imagination and fascination for this lost utopia. The existence of the lost city has been accepted as a historical fact by many people. The idea of an advanced civilization that possessed all manner of esoteric knowledge has become very popular in New Age literature. So what do you think? Did Atlantis ever existed? Or it's just a fiction? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Give a thumbs up, comment and share.